We are really pleased to be at the SAP US headquarters at the supply chain planning info days. And then, David, I would like to ask you about then the differentiated value of the joint offering that we are launching together today, our supply chain vulnerability scan.
Yeah, first of all, welcome to our US headquarters here in Newtown Square. And I couldn't be happier to see all partners supporting our customer event here. And I can say I'm super excited about our joint offering. When I first saw the possibilities that Cosmotech provide around getting an understanding where are some of the unknown risks in my supply chain, I saw that this is a perfect match made in heaven for integrated business planning, where I'm constantly working on operational realities. But what about things that have not become a reality yet? So I see the potential using the Cosmotech solution specifically for a vulnerability scan to understand where are some of the bottlenecks in my supply chain, where are some of the contributing factors in my supply chain, such as resources, transportation lanes, also suppliers and their suppliers, and understand where are perhaps weak spots that today are not a problem, but may become a problem in the future. So providing that fantastic technology that you guys have with, automated simulations to automatically create variations in my supply chain to understand what is the exposure to risk that I have, risk to a revenue, risk for service, as a huge potential complementary value to integrated business planning.
Thanks a lot, David, for that answer. So we are fully integrated with SAP IBP. Do you have any recommendation for your SAP IBP customer to start on that journey?
I would love to see our IBP customers take an advantage of this offering to create essentially an initial risk scanning and understand vulnerabilities and create that report so that you can start prioritizing your supply chain initiatives, that you can start thinking about maybe where do you have to provide some contingency, dual sourcing, provide some additional capacity to be much better prepared for if something happens. And over the last 3 years, we've seen things unexpectedly coming to us. And it was not just COVID. All of a sudden, availability of supplies, chip shortages, availability of transportation capacity. And we all know that we're just in front of the next disruption. So understanding where are the vulnerabilities in your supply chain ahead of time will put you absolutely at the competitive edge. So I can only recommend to our IBP customers, look at the Cosmotech add-on that just hit our SAP store and engage in with Cosmotech to get your data in there and understanding what your vulnerabilities are.
Yes, actually, it's very simple. So do not hesitate to reach us. And I have a last question, which is about the intersection between sustainability and resiliency. We think that the intersection between these two key trends is key for the next years. And I was wondering if you see within your customer base forward-looking customers that are really looking at that intersection as something really critical for their long-term competitive advantage?
Absolutely. We're going to market where we want to offer our customers a more risk-resilient supply chain. And the other aspect is, of course, sustainability and reducing the footprint that we have on the environment. And that's not just a noble goal. I truly believe it becomes a competitive advantage. Right. Customers want to have sustainable products. They want to know where the product is coming from. And I think with your technology, we're just scratching the surface with a vulnerability scan. I think the sky is the limit if we add data like sustainability. Where are potential exposure points for sustainability, for the footprint, carbon, waste, water, energy, and getting essentially a much more a better decision-making support to create investments into your supply chain on the right spot. So I can absolutely see leading companies already thinking in that direction. And sometimes they struggle, what technology support can I have to actually support my strategy around more risk-resilient, sustainable supply chain? So I believe Cosmotech absolutely is an answer that helps us at creating essentially a competitive edge to our portfolio and rounding it out by integrated business planning together with Cosmotech as a really winning match.
Thanks a lot, David. Thanks a lot for your support and the invitation at this Info Days.
Thank you very much, Nadia.